This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by bringing audio into Garageband and setting headroom so normalization has room to work. First, import your file or session. Keep an original copy safe. Then lower each track fader so peaks sit about 6 dB below 0 dB to prevent clipping after gain adjustments. Once done, solo the track you'll normalize so you hear only that material. Make sure monitoring is accurate. Use decent headphones or speakers to judge loudness and peaks before proceeding. Now you perform the normalization itself. Select the region or regions you want and check peaks with the waveform display so you know the highest points. If dynamics are uneven, apply gentle compression first. This makes normalization more musical and avoids pumping. Then open the region editor and use the Normalize function or manually adjust the gain slider to set a target peak or perceived loudness. Once adjusted, listen through transitions to confirm the result. Sounds consistent and clean without artifacts. Finish by exporting a bounced file and checking the final meters. Normalization can push peaks close to 0 dB, so confirm no clipping occurred. Once exported, compare the normalized version to the original by bypassing any processing to ensure tonal balance stayed intact. If you hear distortion or artifacts, back off the applied gain, add a subtle limiter or lower the target by a few dB, and re-export. A quick troubleshooting tip. If peaks still clip, restore original region, increase headroom, then repeat normalization more conservatively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.